Hey guys, I'm Alien Boy and today we are playing Freedom Facility and I'm going to be talking this time because I forgot my narrations the last time I did. So, because I was really clumsy. And right now, this girl named Candy Gaming HP is the Beast. I don't know how I looked black. I just went on advanced and I'm like, ooh, what's this color? And then I turned to black. But for now, run! Oh shoot. Okay, I didn't talk for a while because I thought I wasn't recording for a second. Sorry, guys. But right now, Franklin just got captured again. So we're gonna see if we can save him, but they already got him, so we're good. Okay, we just gotta run. Cookie, no! That's my. Okay, Cookie is my friend that I met at a house. Okay, I'm gonna go save her from her friend. I don't know why she would capture her, but I would be like that also. Franklin. Should I save him? Oh my god, who got cooked? My capture. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Okay, why would I not be talking? I'm so used to not talking. This is so bad. Okay, I got run. Let's go find another computer. I know there's one over here. I hope they finished it. Because this beast is savage. Okay. No, they didn't. Franklin! No. Franklin. Don't die. Don't die. Come on. Go. No. It was so close to it. Well, not really close, but he was in the maze. We lost one. Oh my goodness, this is freaking me out. She's freaking me out right now. No. Okay, let me finish this computer first because you have a lot of health still. Oh, no, you've been safe. Okay, that's good. Okay, I have time to finish this computer. We only have 9 minutes left. Go, 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 go. I hope they're hacking the last computer. Cookie! No! Oh shoot. Go, go, go. Keep running. You don't tell me she got hit again. Oh shoot. Go, 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 go. Okay, I'm shutting all those doors. Shoot. Oh my god. Where are all these computers? Where's the last one? Come on. Where's that last computer? No. Unless Thanatos. Okay, we're coming. Okay, we're coming. We're coming. Oh shoot. Okay. Good. We're good now. Run! If that beast was behind me, I would be dead. She was behind me. Oh shoot! No, she got Cookie. Okay. I should have followed her, but I know she was gonna hit me. I knew it. Okay. Yes! Alice! Alice! Alice, over here! Come! Alice, come! Alice. Okay, go! Let's hack it! No, Cookie! Cookie, 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 Cookie. Oh no, she's losing a lot of health. Oh my god. Okay, she's camping. We all know she's. So we just gotta go over here, 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 and there you go. Oh shoot, she was camping inside there. Oh shoot. No, Cookie. Okay, if Cookie got hit again, then she's dead. Let's go at her house. Cookie! I'm so near you. Dang it, she left. Alice, she lost connection, I think. Okay, so let's go into the next round. And oh my goodness, I am the beast. Hooray! Yay! Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I want to. Ooh, I love my blue. Okay. Um. Ooh, who did that? Hi, Franklin. Don't judge me, but I camp. Okay? Can you please not judge me? Viewers, can you please not judge me? Because I camp. Oh, shoot. I knew it. He's hopping. I'm sorry. I really like camping. So let's just stay there until someone comes. Like Lady in the Tramp, my little sister. Oh, now that is Hulu. No, 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 no. Oh, shoot. Oh, there he is. He is trying to fool me. Shoot, he's going over this way. Shoot! He knows how to play. I wonder where my little sister is, and she is right here. Come in here, little sis. No way. Oh, shoot. I can have her stuck in there. Yay, perfecto, perfecto. I like how she's stuck. Now Lady and the Tramp is dead. Lady and the Tramp shall die. Franklin! Yeah. Now Lady and the Tramp is dead. Oh shoot, he jumped really high. Say hello to your friend, mate. And say goodbye to your friend, mate. Go, 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 go. Where are you gonna go, huh? Where? I forgot to use my speed. Okay, now that he is right there, I am able. Oh, gotcha! Yay! Okay. Ah, here we go again. Oh, oh. Ah. No opening the doors. Wait, there you go. Oh, not in there. Up here. Let's go up here. Wait, madam. What? Where did she go? I hope she's not trying to stay. Uh, oh, no. Don't go away. Shoot. Is she gonna hop? Oh, she's gonna hop. Hi, lady. I'm sorry, lady. So sorry. But you did good anyways. Oh my goodness. You did well. You did well. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Say goodbye. Bye.